I'm gonna upload a video about that. All the soldiers that died in Iraq can fit in one of those mass graves they've just built. This stuff is real, ladies and gentlemen. You hate me, don't like me, but you can't deny the truth that something's not right. Try and get down now. It's easier getting up than it is getting down, that's for sure, especially when your fingers are numb. I mean, you can see this thing just goes on for miles. Look, I mean, that's a good mile and a half up there. Try and get on the other side. Yeah, man. Kodak left. So did all the other businesses in Rochester. This is a ghost town. Ghost city. Ain't nobody here. Ain't no factories really here. Ain't no reason for this thing here. This massive train. It's huge. Turn the camera off again. Actually, no, I'll leave it on. Just jog down here. You know, start counting. This thing is huge. Count how many cars there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can count 23 right now. Just from my view here. All the people on YouTube fighting about whatever the hell they're fighting about, religion, skin color, race, you guys gotta shut up, bite the bullet, stop hating each other, and unite. If you don't start uniting, you're not gonna like the future laid out for us by these guys. Look at this thing, man, still running. This thing does not end. This thing is huge. Didn't even have one. Damn, there's another train coming, but to give you an idea here, I mean, it goes all the way down there, and get back. It's freezing out here, middle of spring, and it's snowing. It's cold and snowing. Cold are numb. Wait until this train passes. This is a place where they refit and remodify trains. This used to be a lot of military trains that would go by here, and I find it really odd that there is miles long. I mean, you could fit my whole city in here. They have trains going by here 24/7. This is the train station, it's pretty busy. This is a normal train, alright? Take a look at it! This is a normal train which you see all the time, okay? You got your cargo containers and the oil containers for oil or whatever chemicals they have. Just regular train. Honestly could fit my whole city in this thing. Once you get around that bend near the bridge, you'll see how long it goes. I'll keep the camera running. We're at 20 minutes right now, film I've taken. start jogging. You know, you don't need shackles and benches when you think about it, because who gives a shit? We're all gonna be put in an oven or gas. Why does it matter? Maybe that's what they're planning, I don't even care. Damn, camera's getting all messed up. Take a look. Get out here. Look at that. Still going all the way down. Doesn't end. It goes all the way around the bend. But I'm literally freezing to death. My fingers are numb. I gotta cut it for now, which means evacuate, get some more footage, see how far down this thing goes, see if it looks different from that point down there to this point, see if they've begun refitting it with benches or what they've done. But I'm telling you right now, this camera will give me a break. Alright, camera shot, guys, but this thing ain't right. This is not a normal train. Not for this city. My fingers are still numb and the camera's still soaked. But I'm trying to get on this bridge right up here and take a good look up here if I can. You can see it's pretty nasty out. Whew. Man. Must have ran 3 miles. Trying to chase down the end of this train. Look. Alright, here we go right there. Look at that. See if I can get a good look. Look at that. You can see it right there. I mean, that's far down, guys. I mean, that's miles down there. Take a good look, man. There it is. The train. Damn, I can't really see it too good, but take my words down there. And then you got it, of course. You got the train right there. And then all the way down there, which my camera shot. I can't see it, but this thing is huge. This is part of the refitting station where they work on the trains and stuff. Further down is more of the refitting station. Like I said, man, God, my fingers are numb. This ain't right. That train shouldn't be there. Too big, too empty.
We are a country that is headed towards socialism, totalitarianism, beyond your wildest imagination. I have to tell you, I'm doing a story tonight that I wanted to debunk these FEMA camps. I'm tired of hearing. You know about them?
Sure.
I'm tired of hearing. I wanted to debunk them. Well, we've now for several days done research on them. I can't debunk them. And we're going to carry the story tonight.
I don't know anything about him. So
it is our government. If you trust our government, it's fine. If you have any kind of fear that we might be headed towards a totalitarian state, look out, buckle up. There's something going on in our country that is ain't good. These are actual prisons that were built under the Bush administration. Now they're sitting there empty. If you got a problem in California, why aren't we using those? But why aren't we using those in
these
California?
camps are all over the U.S.?
Yes.
And they're all empty?
Yeah. Yeah. And they're all, and look, here's the thing.
So that's what you're talking about tonight.
You'll see that tonight, and I tell you, it just something doesn't sit right with me.
After a very long night of tossing and turning, if you watch Fox and Friends this morning or listen to my radio show, I told you that I was going to tell you about the FEMA camps or the FEMA prisons today. I don't believe in the FEMA prison.
I wanted to debunk these FEMA camps. Well, we've now for several days done research on them. I can't debunk them. These are actual prisons that were built under the Bush administration
And
in
these FEMA
California.
camps are all over the U.S.?
Yes.
And they're all empty?
Yeah.
They're making me say this. Help! I had to break that promise. I'm sorry. I'm just a guy who cares an awful lot about my country. And I think you do too. But sometimes, for political reasons or whatever reasons, people just won't follow a story. This story is exceptionally hard to follow because the people who are down near this story are getting killed if they talk to people like me.